Drum handling. An empty drum is easy to handle. One person can move it without much effort. But a full drum is a job for two people. And even then, it must be done correctly. Otherwise, someone could get hurt. Seriously hurt. Old-fashioned barrels had an advantage. Their rounded sides made it easy to tip or roll them without hurting your hands. But modern steel drums don't have that feature. These two workers will now demonstrate the correct way to stand up a full drum. Supervisor, have two people demonstrate each step as you explain. Watch how they each stand on opposite sides, facing the center of the drum. They grip the top rims near the highest points, using their legs, not their backs. They begin to tilt one end upward, while pushing the other end downward. When the drum balances on the lower edge, they release the bottom, and use both hands at the top to guide the drum into a vertical position. Now, let's place the drum on its side. To move it, an empty one can be tilted by one person. But again, you need two for a full drum. Each person grips the far edge. If there's a wall or another drum nearby, they use it for leverage. With careful pushes and pulls, they roll the drum until it balances on the lower edge. Then let it down gently. Now comes the easy part. Rolling it on level ground. But even here, you must be careful. Always roll with your hands. Never with your feet. Always push from the sides. Never place your hands on the rims, where they could get pinched. Between the drum and another object. If you need to lower a drum down a ramp, let it slide vertically. Never try to roll it down by hand. You could lose control and cause an accident. When pushing a drum up a ramp, one person should be on each side, on the outside of the rails, never underneath the drum. There's another way to lower a drum on a slope. Tie one end of a rope securely to the platform. Wrap the other end around the drum. Then, one person can carefully lower it by controlling the free end of the rope. Handling drums takes skill. If you've never done it before, ask someone who has. Here are some quick safety reminders. For handling gas cylinders, always chock or tie them securely when transporting. Always store them standing upright, on their bottom end. Store them firmly so they can't fall or be struck. Keep them away from salt, chemicals, or fumes. Never slide cylinders off a truck. Lift them. Don't hit or damage the valve cap. Two people should lift a gas cylinder. Never one alone. If using a crane, use proper lifting gear, never a magnet. Rolling cylinders is risky. Use a cart. Keep them away from heat, sunlight, and anything flammable.